How to translate subtitles into other languages in Veed. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, add subtitles either manually or using Veed's auto subtitle feature. To translate subtitles, click on the Subtitles option in the left menu, then select Translate. Choose the language you want to translate your subtitles into from the list of supported languages. Veed will automatically translate your existing subtitles while keeping the timing intact. After translation, you can edit the translated subtitles if needed, adjust the font, size, color and position, and make sure they fit perfectly with your video. Veed also allows you to add multiple languages so you can provide subtitles in more than one language for international audiences. Now you know how to translate subtitles into other languages in Veed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.